An Arizona man who threw out all his food and committed himself to walking to local Walmart and back every time he wanted a meal has lost more than 300 pounds. Pasquale Pat Bracco, 31 years old, began to change his life 3 years ago when he was warned by his doctor that his weight of 605 pounds and his high blood pressure and high cholesterol put his life in serious danger. Bracco went home from the appointment and took a photo of himself in front of a mirror. "My stomach was down to my thighs. My chest was hanging down here," he told ABC News, pointing to his stomach as he said, "I was disgusted." The Avondale man decided that every time he was hungry, he would walk the 1 mile to his closest Walmart, then back home to eat his meal. In less than 2 years, he said he lost 200 pounds. "You walk to Walmart 3 times a day, and you end up walking 6 miles, he said. "It's amazing, because I never walked 6 miles in my life, and I was doing it every day." Bracco puts foods like vegetables, meats, sweet potatoes, quinoa, and steel-cut oatmeal into his diet and took out the foods he learned over time were hampering his efforts. Now, 330 pounds lighter, Bracco said his nickname is no longer Fat Pat. As Possible Pat, he hopes to be a role model for his 1-year-old son. Because he lost so much weight, he had to have about 30 pounds of excess skin removed. He underwent the surgery on Monday and is now recovering at home. For more videos like these, like, share, and be sure to subscribe to Muscle Monster YouTube channel.